In this video we're going to be talking about the indicators and multiple layouts. So for the multiple layouts we can use this little tab here. So this has got layouts here and we can click this here. So you might have a wide screen and you can use, you want to show 8 charts in horizontal or this way, or you might just have a sort of a normal screen. You want 4 charts laid out in different ways, or 3 charts or 2 charts. So 4 charts would look like this here, and whichever one is highlighted, if you can just see that this one here is highlighted, this first one here. So if you wanted to work with this one, then you've got to make sure it's highlighted. If you want to work with this one, then you make sure that's highlighted. So if I wanted to highlight that particular one here, and I wanted to change the stock in here, then I would just click on here and I'd put whatever code that I wanted to in here, and then that would show up here for this one. So I can change it, because currently what you can see is that they're all the same. You see? So this one's highlighted, so it's controlling the other one. So, but you can have different charts in there. You just need to highlight it and then change it at that particular point. So I'm going to bring this back to just the one chart here. And next I would like to talk about indicators. So the indicators are this one here. So this is the indicator list here. So just all the basic indicators here. And as you can see that I've got the volume on this one down below here. So I'll just use that as an example. So here you can see that I've got settings, and I can delete it here at this point. So I can go in here and change the settings on this point here. So I'll put that here. And when the trading levels is one that I use a lot, and you can I thought you could move these around a bit, but you can't. That's okay. Oh, it must be because I've got that one on there first. I don't know. Anyway, this trading levels one here, you can see the orange line that I've got here and this medium level here. So this will be over here. So I can, as with all indicators, I can hide it here, and then I can I can delete it or go into the settings here. And with the settings here, you can indicate which, what you would like on here. And also here I've got the price, the level label here. So medium level, major level here. I could also put the price here. So you see how that 50 came up on the 50 there? So I could do that as well. And I can make, display it on whatever I want to display it on. But you could also change the colors as well. This navy, gray and orange, the trading lounge colors, and we tend to use that as a bit of a base for the labeling, the Elliott Wave labeling, and also the trading levels as well. But feel free to change them to suit yourself, though no big deal. Especially if you're using a dark screen, then you may have these in some lighter version of that. But this is where you would handle those things. And obviously you've got the rest basic indicators here, and some will be like Bollinger Bands are normally on the chart here, and you'll also be able to change, over here, change the, I don't normally use indicators that much, but there's nothing wrong with them. They help you swim between the flags, and yeah, you can change the settings here as well. So you've got your standard deviations from the center here in this case. So the Bollinger Band in the middle here is a 20 period moving average, which is the norm, and then you've got 2 standard deviations here, but you could also add 1 standard deviation. And if you wanted to put the indicator on again to have 1 and 2 on here, then you could do that as well here. So you could have the 2 standard deviation and then also 1 standard deviation, which is a good little intraday trading system, just trading and staying within 1 standard deviation and 2 standard deviations. And staying within that trend. But yeah, anyway, this is where they are here to handle those here. So I'm just going to delete those there. So they're the indicators and the multiple layouts there. And while we're here, I mean, obviously you've got while we talk about these things, we've got you can choose candles and bars here at this point, just the basics. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in.